Imagine this. You meet a new person.
Your friend asks you about that person.
Your friend says, "Can you describe him?"
Or, can you describe her?
Today we learn how to describe people and things in English.
Simple English for real life.
Hello everyone, welcome to Happy English.
Hello friends, welcome back.
Before we start, please subscribe to the Happy English channel.
Yes, subscribe and share this podcast with your friends.
Today we talk about describing people and things.
Describing in English.
First word, describe.
Describe.
To describe means to explain what something looks like.
Or what someone is like.
Repeat after me. Describe.
Describe.
Good. Now, let's describe a person.
Okay.
Imagine a man.
What does he look like?
He is tall.
Tall.
Tall means a person with a big height.
Repeat. He is tall.
Good. Another word. Short.
Short.
Short means not tall.
Example sentence. He is short.
Excellent. Now another word. Thin.
Thin.
Thin means a person with a small body.
Repeat. He is thin.
Good. Another word. Fat.
Fat.
Fat means a person with a bigger body.
Example sentence. He is fat.
Good. Listeners, repeat.
Tall, short, thin, fat.
Excellent. Now let's describe hair.
Hair is important when we describe someone.
Long hair.
Long hair.
Short hair.
Short hair.
Curly hair.
Curly hair.
Straight hair.
Straight hair.
Repeat all words.
Long hair, short hair, curly hair, straight hair.
Very good. Now let's make a sentence. She has long hair.
She has long hair.
Another sentence. He has short hair.
He has short hair.
Good. Now let's talk about eyes.
Eyes can be different colors.
Blue eyes.
Blue eyes,
Brown eyes.
brown eyes,
Green eyes.
green eyes.
Repeat.
Blue eyes, brown eyes, green eyes.
Good. Example sentence. She has brown eyes.
She has brown eyes.
Excellent. Now let's describe personality.
Personality means how a person acts.
Friendly.
Friendly.
Friendly people are kind and nice.
Sentence. She is friendly.
Good. Another word. Funny.
Funny.
Funny people make others laugh.
Sentence. He is funny.
Good. Another word. Kind.
Kind.
Kind people help others.
Example sentence. She is very kind.
Excellent. Now, listeners, repeat.
Friendly, funny, kind.
Very good. Now, let's describe things.
Not only people.
Yes, we can describe objects.
Objects like a phone.
For example, this phone is new.
This phone is new.
Another example, this phone is big.
This phone is big.
Another example, this phone is small.
This phone is small.
Repeat.
Big and small.
Good. Another pair of words, old and new.
Old and new.
Example sentence, my car is old.
My car is old.
Another example, my car is new.
My car is new.
Excellent. Now let's describe a place.
Places are easy to describe.
Big city.
Big city.
Small town.
Small town.
Beautiful park.
Beautiful park.
Repeat.
Big city, small town, beautiful park.
Very good. Example sentence, the park is beautiful.
The park is beautiful.
Good. Now let's practice a dialogue.
Okay.
Can you describe your friend?
Yes.
What does he look like?
He is tall.
What about his hair?
He has short hair.
What about his personality?
He is friendly.
Excellent. Now another example.
Okay.
Can you describe your city?
Yes.
Is it big or small?
It is a big city.
Is it beautiful?
Yes, it is very beautiful.
Great. Listeners, repeat.
My city is beautiful.
Very good. Now let's review.
Review time.
Tall,
Tall.
short,
Short.
thin,
Thin.
fat,
Fat.
long hair,
Long hair.
short hair,
Short hair.
friendly,
Friendly.
funny,
Funny.
kind,
Kind.
big,
Big.
small,
Small.
beautiful.
Beautiful.
Excellent work today.
Great job, everyone.
Comment below
Describe your friend in English.
or describe your city.
Practice every day.
Thank you for listening.
Please subscribe to Happy English.
Share this podcast with your friends.
Keep learning English.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.